I didn't.
And your mom didn't.
Can I? Is it? Can I?
Yes.
Do you want to take?
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Can you put this on the altar?
Baby. Others take two.
Dear devotees, I now hand you to Pandit Sri Arti Pandey to conduct the Paduka Puja. I'd like to call upon Ishwari, Sambika, Nishka, Andisha, Vivek, and Radhe to come forward to perform the Paduka Puja. Thank you very much.
Hari Om once again. So we will be having our Guru Puja, where we shall be worshipping the holy feet of the Guru. So we have laid up the items that we need. We've got our yajmans who will be making the offerings. So for everybody, I would like to request that you fold your palms and close your eyes and get yourself into a reverential mood. And we will have various parts of the puja. If anything else is required, for instance, standing up, I will let you know. So, Anisha, you can light this agarbatti. We've got a lighter here. So you can start off by doing that. So while we prepare ourselves, and the agarbatti stand is there. You can bring it closer to you if you need to. I'll explain what you will need to do as we go along. So you can place that there. Okay, so we can begin. So get ready for your palms, close your eyes. So you're going to make offerings of these flowers. So for each mantra, I'd like you to offer 3 flowers on the Namaha. One on the right paduka, left paduka, and then in the center. So there's 3 mantras, short mantras. So just be prepared at each Namaha. So right paduka, left, and in the center. Om Ganapataye Namaha. 3 others. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. So now everybody can take some flowers in your hands. Okay, we are going to pray to Lord Ganesh. Om Om Sankashte Sadankasya Kapilo Dikajakaranakaha Lambodarashya Vikato Vignanasho Kanadikaha Dhumriketu Tanadaksho Bhavichandro Pajananaha Vajashetani Namani Yapateshnu Yadati Sarvakarya Samarambe Vignastasya Najayate Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnu Shakivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarvo Vignapushantane. So you can offer those flowers into the paduka. And initially you can just sprinkle some water. There's a lota and a spoon. So now, as we have set our intention, we said we were doing a Guru Puja, we're going to venerate the Guru. So keep your mind on Guru, your Guru, Swami Shivananda. Om Brahmanandam Paramasukadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvatitam Gaganasadisham Tattvamasya Laksham Ekam Nityam Vimalamachalam Sarvati Sakshi Bhutam Bhavatitam Trigunarahitam Satgurum Tam Namami Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurum Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Dhyana Moolam Gurur Murti Puja Moolam Guru Padam Mantra Moolam Guru Vakyam Moksha Moolam Guru Kripa Mannataha Shri Jagannataha Madguru Shri Jagatguru Madatma Sarva Bhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Om Namah Shivanandaya Gurave Satchidananda Murtaye Nishprapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase Yasya Deve Parabhaktihi Yatha Deve Tatha Guru Tasye Katitha Hayartaha Prakashante Mahatmanaha. Name of Divine Mother. Om Durge Smita Harshi Bhiti Mashesh Janto Swaste Smita Mati Mativa Shubham Dadasi Tarivya Dukkavaya Harini Katvadanya Sarvopakara Karanaya Sadatri Chitta Om Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Triambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam Shakti Bhute Sanatani Gunashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute Sharanagat Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyati Hare Devi Narayani Namostute. So before we commence with our main puja of the Padakas, we will again invoke Lord Ganesh. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatim Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Kushavastamam Jesarajam Brahmanam Namanaspataha Anaha Shrivannuti Sivasadanam Om Shri Mahaganapate Namaha. So we're going to have an abhishek. So Jenny is going to pour milk into your bowls. You'll see there is a spoon next to your bowl. So what we will do in this abhishek is a ritual bathing. So you will offer continuously, so you do not need to wait for any namaha. The mantras are not like that. You will continuously offer spoonfuls of milk onto the padakas whilst we are reciting these mantras from the Rig Veda. Okay, so if you want to come closer, if you need to, please adjust yourself. Okay, so using your right hand as you know. Alright, so let us begin. Om, so continuously, right? I'll tell you when to stop. Om Sahasra Shirsha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sabhumim Vishvato Vitva Atyatishtarta Shangulam Purusha Evedam Sarvam Yadbhutam Yaccha Bhavyam Utavritasyeeshanaha Yadannenati Rohati Etavanasya Mahima Ato Jyayansya Purushaha Padosya Vishwabhutani Tripadasya Mritam Divi Tripaturdhva Ude Purushaha Padosyaha Bhavat Punaha Tato Vishwam Vyakramat Sashanan Shane Abhi Tasmad Virada Jayata Virajo Adipurushaha Sajato Atyarichyata Paschad Bhumi Mito Puraha Yat Purushena Havisha Deva Yagya Matanvata Vasanto Asyasi Dajyam Grishma Idma Sharadavihi Saptasya Sanparidayaha Trisaptas Samidaha Kritaha Deva Yadyakyam Tanvanaha Abadnan Purusham Pashum Tam Yagyam Barhishi Prokshan Purusham Jatamagrataha Tena Deva Ayajanta Sadhya Rishayashchaye Tasmad Yagyata Sarvahutaha Samritam Prishadajyam Pashunstanscha Krevayavan Aranyan Gramya Yashchaye Tasmad Yagyata Sarvahutaha ऋचः समानि जगिरे छन्दांसि जगिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त ये के चोभयादतः गावो हजगिरे तस्मात् तस्माज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं यददुः कतिधा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य को बाहु पादावुच्येते ब्रह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहु राज्यनः कृतः कुरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यां शूद्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत मुखादीन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणवायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शीर्ष्णोऽध्यो समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् तथा लोकान् कल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नमानि कृत्वा विवदन् यदस्ते धाता पुरस्ताय मुद जहारः शक्र प्रविद्वान् प्रदिशा शतस्रः त्वमेव विद्वान् मिता इहा भवति नान्यः पन्थ अयनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमया जन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्ययासन् देहानाकं महिमानः सचन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्यः सन्ति देवाः अद्यः सम्भूतः पृथिव्यो रसा च विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताधि तस्य त्वष्टविदधरूपमेति तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् त्वमेव विद्वान् मिता इहा भवति नान्यः पन्थ विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य धीरः परिजानन्ति योनिं मारीचिनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेदसः यो देवेभ्य आत्पतिः यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो रुचाय भाम्यये रुचं ब्रह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्र तद्भुवन् यस्त्वैवं ब्रह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवा असन्वशे त्रीश्च ते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यो अहोरात्रे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनो व्याततम् इष्टं मनशान अमुं मनशान सर्वं मनशान ॐ सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतः परमानित्यं विश्वं नारायणं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वमुपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरं शाश्वतं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महाज्ञेयं विशात्मानं परायणं नारायण परो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायण परं ब्रह्म तत्त्वं नारायण परो ध्याता ध्यानं नारायण पर यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्याप्य नारायण स्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविसमुद्रेन्तं विश्वशम्भुवं पद्मकोशप्रतीकाशं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अधोनिष्ठया विकस्यान्ते नाभ्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनं महत् सन्तताशिलाभिस्तु लम्बत्यकोशसन्निभं तस्यान्ते सुशिरं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं तस्य मध्ये महन् अग्निर्विश्वाचिरविश्वतो मुखः सोग्रभुगविभजन् तिष्ठन्नहारमचरः कवि तिर्यभूद्वामदशायी रश्मस्तस्य सन्तापयति स्वं देहमापादतलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वह्निशिखा आनीयोर्ध्वव्यवस्थितः निहतो यदा मध्यस्ताद् विद्युल्लेखे वा भास्वर निवारशुकवतन्वी पीता भात्स्वत्यनुपमा तस्या शिखाय मनये परमात्मना व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्म स शिव स हरिसेन्द्र सोऽक्षर परं स्वराट् ऋतं सत्यं परं ब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात् ॐ विष्णोरुकं वीर्याणि प्रवोचं य पार्थिवानि व्योमे रजासि Sapyo Askabhaya Vitaram Sadastam Vichakramanas Dhorukayo Vishnu Raratamasi Vishnu Prishtamasi Vishnu Shnaptrestro Vishnu Surasi Vishnu Druvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So this is the end of the milk offering. So if you had any remaining milk, you can pour it all into this bowl. So now we're going to have water offerings. So it's not, we don't need too much of water, but I suppose for the depth of the spoon, you can just continuous as I'm reciting. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarubandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritat. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. So that is the end of the Abhishek. So let me recite the last mantra and then we will get ready for the dry part of the puja. Om Tacham Yoravrini Mahe Gatum Yagyaya Gatum Yagyapataye Devi Swastirastunaha Swastir Manushebhyaha Budhvam Jigatu Bheshajam Shanno Astu Vipade Shanchatushpade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we're going to now take the padukas out and place it here into this dry tray. Jenny is going to take the liquid tray away. So Desha, you can. So this is to wipe the padukas because this is what we're going to do at first. So either everybody can have an opportunity to dab or you can link hands. They will not choose it. Can you make some space for this? So after the padukas are going to be placed here, Nisha, we're going to be offering sandal paste, which is there next to you. So the padukas will remain on the in the tray, but you can pass the chandan to each person. Yeah, the mantra is short, so we'll do it, but then everybody will have a chance. We'll have a little bit of silence, and then after that is going to be the kumkum. You might want to put a little drop of water in the kumkum just to get it. So you place it back in there. first we are going to be offering chandan, the sandal paste. So the padukas can remain, so we can right paduka, left paduka. So we'll start with you, Anvisha, and you can pass it along. Om Gandhadvaram Duradarsham Nityapushtam Karishiniim Ishwarim Sarvabhutanam Tamihupahvayeshriyam Gandham Sadharyami. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Both padukasa. You've got cloth, little serviettes to wipe your fingers afterwards. Just have a kumkum ready. This is a very short mantra. Om Gandhasyo Parikumkumam Samarpayami. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. So once everybody is done, you can just now take flower petals again and offer it at the paduka. We'll get ready for the next portion of the puja. So offer your flowers. So now we are going to recite the Shanti mantras. We've spoken much about peace. We've unveiled the peace pillar. So part of this puja is to recite Shanti or peace mantras. And these mantras are from the Vedas, and they are praise directed towards the divine powers that control the universe, that are capable of bringing peace and harmony in the physical, sensory, and intellectual levels of one's personality. So then, let us fold our palms again, close our eyes, and concentrate on these mantras that are being recited now. Om Shanno Mitra Shan Varunaha Shanno Bhavat Varyama Shanna Indro Brihaspati Shanno Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayu Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmam Avatu Tadbhaktaram Avatu Avatu Mam Avatu Bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Yaschanda Samarishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyo Yamritat Sambhabhuva Samendro Medhaya Spunotu Amritasya Devadharano Bhuya Samshariram Vicharshanam Jihwame Madhumatama Karnabhyam Puri Vishubam Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pihitaha Shutam Me Gopaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Aham Vikshasya Reriva Kirtihi Prishtam Gireriva Urdhva Pavitro Vajiniva Swamritamasmi Dravanam Savarchasam Sumedha Amritokshita Iti Trisham Koravedanu Vachanam. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Apyayantu Mamagani Vakaprana Chakshuhu Shrotram Atho Balanindayani Cha Sarvani Sarvam Brahmopanishadam Maham Brahma Nirakurya Mama Brahma Nirakarot Anira Brahma Anira Karanam Mastu Anira Karaname Astu Tadatmani Nirate Ya Upanishadsu Dharmaha Te Mai Santu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Vangme Manasi Pratishtita Manome Vachi Pratishtitam Avira Virma Edhi Vedasya Ma Anini Staha Shutam Me Ma Prahasi Anena Dhitena Ahoratran Sandadami Ritam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanmam Avatu Tadbhaktaram Avatu Avatu Mam Avatu Bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bhadram No Apivatayamanaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Bhadram Karnebihi Shrunuyam Deva Bhadram Pashemakshibhiryajatraha Stire Range Stushtuvam Sastanubihi व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ यो ब्रह्मणं विददाति पूर्वं यो वेदांश्च प्रहनोति तस्मै तं देवमात्मा बुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षेव शरणमहं प्रपद्ये ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So we are going to recite a few Guru invocations now, and this traces the spiritual ancestry of one's own self through the ancestry of Brahma Vidya Gurus such as Vyas, Vasisht, Shankaracharya, and finally your own Guru. So you can have that in your mind. If you don't have your own Guru, you can think about the concept of Guru, or also have in your mind Swami Shivananda. Om Namo Brahma Divyo Brahma Vidya Sampradaya Prachodyo Vanshishyo Mahadyo Namo Vidya Sarvotma Navarahitaha Pratyabhanaha Pratyagranto Nammeva Hamasmi Om Narayanam Padmabhuvam Vasishtam Shaktim Cha Tat Putram Parasharam Cha Vyasam Shikam Gaurapadam Mahantam Bodhinayo Athasya Shishyam Shri Shankaracharya Athasya Padmapadam Cha Hastamalatam Shishyam Tam Krotakam Vakita Padmanyan Asmat Guru Santapadman Chosi Shruti Smriti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavad Padam Shankaram Loka Shankaram Shankaram Shankaracharya Keshavam Bhagarayanam Sutra Bhashyakrito Vande Bhagavanto Puna Puna Ishvaro Gururatmeti Muti Veda Vibhavine Vyoma Vadyapti Dehaya Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. So we have now come to the portion of puja where we are going to have the archana, the flower offering. And so there are going to be mantras, 108 names of Gurudev that we will be reciting. So you can offer flowers continuously. You don't need to wait for Namaha, so this will be a continuous offering. And is the bowl? Okay, so for everybody else here, this is your chance to now participate in this puja. Whilst these mantras are being recited and our main yajmans are offering flower petals, everybody will have a chance to come. You can come in a line or an orderly fashion, and there is a bowl here, and you can make your offering to the padukas and go back to your seat. So you don't have to wait for anything. There are 108 mantras here, some are short, some are long, so please do make sure you get a chance to come and make your offering of your flowers onto the paduka. So let us begin. So continuous, you don't wait for anything. Om Shri Omkara Rupaya Namaha Om Satguruve Namaha Om Sakshat Shankara Rupadhite Namaha Om Shivanandaya Namaha Om Shivakaraya Namaha Om Shivashayani Rupakaya Namaha Om Rishikesha Nivasine Namaha Om Vedya Shastra Visharadaya Namaha Om Samadarshine Namaha Om Tapasvine Namaha Om Prema Rupaya Namaha Om Mahamuneye Namaha Om Divya Jivan Sankratishtate Namaha Om Prabodhakaya Namaha Om Geetananda Swarupine Namaha Om Bhaktagamyaya Namaha Om Bhayapahaya Namaha Om Sarvavive Namaha Om Sarvagaya Namaha Om Hetve Namaha Om Traimarga Pradarshakaya Namaha Om Vairagya Jnana Nidataya Namaha Om Sarvadosukaya Namaha Om Bhavamaya Prashamanaya Namaha Om Samidha Grantha Kalpakaya Namaha Om Gunine Namaha Om Mahatmane Namaha Om Dharmatmane Namaha Om Sthita Pragyaya Namaha Om Shubhodayaya Namaha Om Ananda Sagaraya Namaha Om Saraya Namaha Om Gangatira Shtamastitaya Namaha Om Vishnu Devananda Datta Brahma Jnana Pradipakaya Namaha Om Shri Brahma Sutro Upanishad Angla Bhashya Prakalpakaya Namaha Om Vishwananda Charana Yugma Seva Jata Subuddhi Mate Namaha Om Mantramurtaye Namaha Om Japaparaya Namaha Om Tantradyaya Namaha Om Manavate Namaha Om Paline Namaha Om Umaramana Pada Yugma Sabtarchan Nalashaya Namaha Om Parasme Jyotishe Namaha Om Parasme Dhamane Namaha Om Paramanave Namaha Om Paratparaya Namaha Om Shantamurtaye Namaha Om Dayasagaraya Namaha Om चक्षुहृदय स्थिताय नमः। ओम आनंद अमृत समदोग्धे नमः। ओम अप्पयपुंदीपकाय नमः। ओम साक्षीभूताय नमः। ओम राजयोगिने नमः। ओम सत्यानंद स्वरूपिणे नमः। ओम अज्ञानमय भेषजाय नमः। ओम लोकोद्धारण पंडिताय नमः। ओम योगानंद रसास्वादिने नमः। ओम सदाचार समुज्ज्वलाय नमः। ओम आत्मारामाय नमः। ओम श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम सच्चिदानंद विग्रहाय नमः। ओम जीवन मुक्ताय नमः। ओम चिंतमयात्मने नमः। ओम निस्त्रय गुण्याय नमः। ओम यतीश्वराय नमः। ओम उदय सार प्रकट वेद वेदांत तत्वगाय नमः। ओम चिदानंद जनह्लाद नृत्य गीता प्रवर्तकाय नमः। ओम नवीन जन संत्रात्रे नमः। ओम श्री ब्रह्म मार्ग प्रदर्शकाय नमः। ओम प्राणायाम परायणाय नमः। ओम नित्य वैराग्य सुमपाश्रिताय नमः। ओम चित्तमात्मायाय नमः। ओम ध्यानमग्नाय नमः। ओम क्षेत्रज्ञाय नमः। ओम ज्ञान भास्कराय नमः। ओम महादेवादिदेवाय नमः। ओम कलिकल्मषनाशनाय नमः। ओम तुषारशैल योगिने नमः। ओम कोटिसूर्य संप्रभाय नमः। ओम मुनिवर्याय नमः। ओम सत्ययोनये नमः। ओम परम पुरुषाय नमः। ओम प्रतापवते नमः। ओम नाम संकीर्तन उत्कर्ष प्रशंसिने नमः। ओम महाधृतये नमः। ओम कैलाश यात्रा संप्राप्त बहुसंतुष्ट चेतसे नमः। ओम चतुष्ट साधना संपन्नाय नमः। ओम धर्म स्थापन तत्पराय नमः। ओम शिवमूर्तये नमः। ओम शिवपराय नमः। ओम श्रीष्ठेष्टाय नमः। ओम शिवेक्षराय नमः। ओम चतुरंत मेदी व्याप्त सुविशाल यशोद्याय नमः। ओम सत्य संपूर्ण विज्ञान सुतत्वैक सुलक्षणाय नमः। ओम सर्व प्राणीषु संजात भ्रातृभवाय नमः। ओम सुवर्चलाय नमः। ओम प्रणवाय नमः। ओम सर्वतत्त्वज्ञाय नमः। ओम सुज्ञानम बुद्धि चंदमसे नमः। ओम ज्ञान गंगा स्रोत स्नान पूत पापाय नमः। ओम सुखप्रदाय नमः। ओम विश्वनाथ कृपा पात्राय नमः। ओम शिष्य हिताप तस्कराय नमः। ओम कल्याण गुण संपूर्णाय नमः। ओम सदाशिवापरायणाय नमः। ओम कल्पनारहिताय नमः। ओम वीर्याय नमः। ओम भगवद्गान लोलुपाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु शिवानंद स्वामिने नमः। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय. That brings us to the end of the flower offerings. I see there's still quite a number of satsangis who are yet to offer flowers. You can perhaps then have your opportunity to offer right at the end. So let us continue the rest of the prayer. Swamiji, is that in order? So at the end, then the rest of the satsangis can. Okay. All right. So apologies. We will. You will have a chance at the end. Okay. All right. So now we take agarbatti. Make sure you're going to take agarbatti, and you're going to offer the agarbatti to the paduka. शिवानंदाय. ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय. ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय. So there's a little lamp here next to you with the ghee, so you can light that. We are going to just offer this deep, this light to the padukas. So again, everybody can link hands. And then after that will be the naivedya prasad, so that's also there next to you. So we'll just make offering. ओम अंतर ज्योति बहिर्ज्योति प्रत्यक ज्योति परात्परः ज्योतिर्ज्योति स्वयं ज्योति आत्मज्योति शिवोऽस्म्यहम् आत्मज्योति मनोज्योति ज्योतिश्चक्षुष पश्यति सा बाह्याभ्यन्तरा ज्योति तज्ज्योति शिव पापमुच्यते ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय. Okay, so next is the offering of the prasad. So you can just sprinkle some water onto the prasad, and then you just offer it to the padukas whilst we recite a number of mantras. These are a little bit longer, so you can hold it in offering. And everybody can link hands here. Om Bhurbhuvah Suvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Suvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Suvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Deva Savita Prasuva Satyam Tvartena Parishinchami Amritamasi Amritopastaranamasi. Om Pranaya Swaha Om Apanaya Swaha Om Vyanaya Swaha Om Udanaya Swaha Om Samanaya Swaha Om Brahmane Swaha Om Parabrahma Paramatmane Namaha Om Shri Satguru Shivananda Swamine Namaha Sarvam Amritam Mahanevedyam Nivedyami. Okay, so you can place the prasad there. So we are actually right at the end of the Paduka Puja. So we will stand up for the Aarti to the Paduka. So this is not the end of satsang. So there is a camphor little, you can light that one so everybody can stand up. So you have to light it. Rajaधिराजाय प्रहस्य साहिने नमो वयं वैष्णवनाय कुर्महे ओम न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नमो विद्योति भान्ति यतो यमाग्निः त्वमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भास्य सर्वमिदं विभाति. ओम गंगे च यमुना चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदा सिंधु कावेरी नमस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः. Okay, and then whilst we are standing, you place that on the tray. We will make your final offerings of flowers. So everyone here can just take flowers in your hands. Everybody can remain standing for now. Om na karmana na prajaya. So you can offer dhanena tyageneka amrita tvamemanashuhu parena nakam nihitam guhayam vibhrajate tayo vishanti vedanta vidyana sunishchitarataha sannyasa yogadyo shuddhamatva te brahmaloke tu purantakale paramita parimuchyanti sarve. नाना सुगंध पुष्पाणि यथा कालोध भवानी च पुष्पांजलि मया तत्ताग्रेणा परमेश्वर. सर्वेभ्यो देवताभ्यो नमः. श्री ओम श्री सद्गुरु शिवानंद परब्रह्मणे नमः. पुष्पांजलिं समर्पयामि. Right, it's fine. You can just leave the rest of the flowers. So everybody can now sit down, and we will then conclude with satsang.
Ananda Gurudev Shivananda Bhagavan Shivananda Gurudev Shivananda Bhagavan Shivananda Gurudev
We've now come to the end of our program, where we have the main address by His Majesty King Makasonke Mabena II, the King of the Amandebele Nation, who have come to grace today's program. On behalf of the Shivananda School of Yoga and the Shivananda World Peace Foundation, we invite His Majesty to deliver his message. Baeti, Ngonyama, Silo Skulu, Mvanande, Manzala Nkosi. Baeti.
Let me start by the president of Sinavanda World Peace Foundation, Prince Ashwa Ramman Mapeguzulu, His Holiness Shwan Iswaran Mainanda, Her Holiness Swami Guru Nanananda, the Consul General of India in absentia, His Excellency Mr. Angela Chan, Mr. Faki Hassan. Good evening. Good evening, everyone present here today. I'm delightful to be here at the Savananda School of Yoga on this historic occasion when we come together to unveil the 19th Savananda Peace Pillar in South Africa. I must commend His Holiness Shwan Isva Ramayananda and Swan Gurananda of having kept the spirit of His Holiness Shwan Sivananda and his universal teaching alive here in Johannesburg. Today, through the propagation of the yoga, many have benefited in the society. I'm also reminded today of my visit to the Usutu Royal Palace when I attended the historic Bayete Diwali festival hosted by His Majesty King Late Zwelithini Kapeguzulu and Prince Ishwa Ramlukan Kapeguzulu. The Sivananda Peace Pillar is a symbolic in fostering good relation amongst the citizens and is bringing about change in people. Its inscriptions of the universal teaching of all the religion bring about an awakening in our country. The concept of unity in diversity, which is celebrated here today, is a clear demonstration of our democratic values. This initiative needed to be highlighted in all areas in the country. I want to acknowledge the philanthropic and the humanitarian Prince Ashwa Ramman Mapeguzulu, who has contributed tremendously to the underprivileged in South Africa. His commitment has seen many countries benefit from this philanthropic and humanitarian work. I always admire his love for the Zulu monarch and its people. His cultural peace initiative and heritage program will forever be remembered by all of us. During my last visit, we have witnessed how Mapeguzulu embraces all citizens as one through becoming an Indian Zulu. I invite you all called to visit my area and bring about a change amongst our people. My humble plea to all the professionals in business to help educate, uplift my people through your social, economic, and social responsibility projects. Finally, to sum it up, let us all live in harmony. Let us all respect each other as culture and understand each other as a fellow brother and sister. This is a true divine life. May His Almighty God bless us all. I thank you.
Silo sikhulu Mbube wena Ntaba. Ngiyabonga kakhulu silo sikhulu. Siyathokoza. We now have the Kirtan. to just pass a vote of thanks. Swamiji, Your Majesty, we are very humbled when we leave here today that we have been blessed so much with the divine power, especially with the Paduka Puja and the Satsang. We want to give thanks to His Majesty Bayete Hlangalezwe Ngonyama, and Her Royal Highness from the Amandebele nation to be with us today. Though His Majesty was not well, but he said that he will attend. And today, Your Majesty, we give thanks and appreciate your presence here at the board of our Master, Divine Master, Sri Swami Shivananda, here at this very ashram. We want to give thanks also to Her Royal Highness Princess Nikiwe Ribila from the Amampondo royal family for being here with us today. Also the entourage and of His Majesty Ngiyabonga kakhulu Swamiji. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Swamiji. Siyathokoza kakhulu. Swami Karananda, Ngiyabonga kakhulu. And to all of you, all what we can do is give praise to the Almighty and our Divine Master Sri Swami Shivananda. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, make others happy. In turn, your happiness will come in abundance. That's what Swami Shivananda said. With that, we say thank you very much, and may God bless you all. As you return home, may you travel safe. Bye. We just have two gifts to present to Her Royal Highness. So one of the presents is a vegetarian cookbook. So His Majesty is really going to have a lovely feast. So Ndunkulu will be preparing you some lovely vegetarian dishes. And we also have a gift for our princess of the Pondomise royal family. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Shivanandaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace, peace, peace.